Assalamu alaikum children. We have in the previous class we have studied keeping healthy and clean. Yes, how to keep our surrounding and our classroom and public places clean. Yes, let's see this ammunition. What is here?
We must keep our surroundings neat and clean. This will help us to live a healthy life. Let us look at some activities that help us to make our surroundings green and clean. Plants play a very important role in our lives. Plants clean the air. So we should grow plants in our house, school, in parks, and on roadsides. We should always keep our surroundings clean. Do not allow water to stagnate. Throw waste only in the dustbin. Whenever possible, use bicycles instead of other vehicles, as other vehicles emit harmful smoke. We should keep our classroom clean and tidy. Keep the blackboard clean. Do not spill food and water in the classroom. Throw waste paper, pencil shavings, and leftovers only in the dustbin. Handle books with care and arrange them neatly on the shelves. Railway stations, bus stops, parks, markets, fire and police stations, and hospitals are public places. Since these public places are used by many people every day, they should be kept clean always. We should follow proper toilet habits. Flush the toilet after every use. Wash your hands with soap and water after using the toilet. All of us have to help make Earth a safe and healthy place to live.
Yes, children, you have seen what is the uh, habits of toilets and keeping classroom clean and keeping surrounding clean. Yes, you have seen this all. Let's see next activity. Here, what is this activity? Here we must not be environment friendly. It's right or wrong? It's wrong. Yes, we must be friendly with the environment. It's wrong. Trees make our place untidy. Yes, trees make our place untidy or tidy. Tidy. It's wrong. Yes. Garbage Garbage bins should always be kept closed. Yes, it's right. We have studied in the lesson. Yes, we need to cover the garbage. It's right. Water should be used carefully. Yes, this one also right. We must throw garbage on the roadside. No, it's wrong. We must throw garbage in the dustbin. Yes, children, by saying this activity, you solve this true and false. Okay, let's recall we have studied in this chapter what is keeping our surrounding clean, importance of toilets and keeping our classroom clean, keeping public places clean, and toilet habits. We have studied this all things in this chapter. Yes, so completed this chapter. Thank you.
Morning.